Okay, this is how you wire in a backup camera for a 4G Eclipse. I think this is the OEM backup camera from a 2012 that I took off. Here it is here. To make a little zip tie thing for it. Anyways, you pull the wires through and you have a video cable, ground, and power. So the video cable, if you strip that, then you get another two wires. One is orange, you have to strip again. And then the other one, the other cords that are in here is just a bunch of loose wire. So you want to connect the orange wire on the inside that you have to strip from the video to the orange from a stripped RCA cable. So you see how there's, yellow, there's yellow, then that red cable on the inside, the trigger, which is the same as this, and then there's the black. So the black is going to the loose wires in the camera cable. The yellow is going to the orange wire on the inside of here, and the red wire goes to the red wire from the camera, and those two both go to the trip reverse wire, which is the blue and red one you see here in the harness. So that blue or red with blue stripe wire is the reverse trigger wire. So that's how you get it to turn the camera on, the backup camera, only when you put it in reverse, is with the blue stripe on the red cable. For the ground from the camera, bad idea, but I just picked a black cable in here and put it on that. You should put it to a bolt, but I didn't. Then I routed it all the way down the side panels there. It's here, through, up here. Here it is here. I'm gonna tuck it away a bit better with a zip tie. And then it comes to the back of the head unit. Be patient here. I'm just gonna unscrew these. It's me too. One. I use a JVC head unit from 2020. Doubled in. Okay, I'm gonna lightly pull that out. And then that yellow plug goes into the video in, not the video out port. And then the red wire that also comes out of the cable we purchased on Amazon here, just RCA with trigger wire cable on Amazon, that you put onto the reverse thing on your stereo. Maybe if you look on my account, I'll have or not the steering wheel controls. Maybe I'll have another video to show you how to put these in, but I don't know where those wires are right now. I'm trying to find them. But yeah, if you connect these and that, then when you go into reverse, give me a second here, just don't want it to fall. If I put her in reverse, bang. And that's how you install it.